ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକଙ୍କ ଶ୍ରାଦ୍ଧ ଦିବସ ଏହି ଅବସରରେ ତାଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତି ମୋର ଗଭୀର ଶ୍ରଦ୍ଧାଞ୍ଜଳି ଅର୍ପଣ କରୁଛି। ବିଜୁ ବାବୁଙ୍କର ସବୁଠାରୁ ବଡ଼ ପରିଚୟ ହେଉଛି ସେ ଜଣେ ମହାନ ଦେଶଭକ୍ତ ଥିଲେ। ତାଙ୍କ ଦେଶଭକ୍ତି ସାହସ ଓ ସ୍ୱାଭିମାନ ପାଇଁ ସେ ଆଜି ଆମର ରହିଛନ୍ତି ଓ ରହିଥିବେ। It is a matter of coincidence that Parliament is taking up the Women's Reservation Bill during the death anniversary of Biju Babu. In fact, Biju Babu had played a pioneering role in the country for women's empowerment long back in the 90s. The Biju Janata Dal strongly believes in the empowerment of women. Thus, we extend our support to the women. Biju Babu ki hai. Isa Baki Pari choice Himalaya Pari Tungo. Into our Janati, Orissa, Rajniti, Kichigoko, Samuele, betrayal, a role, Kushiyama. We should remember that no mask can hide their sins for very long. People know what is what. Orissa has been a victim of historical neglect by successive union governments. Every demarcation bills, Oriental political identity to play a component question mark. Susti Korichi, Oriya Swabiman, Aji, Vipadore, Abokriya Orissa ପାଇଁ ସମସ୍ତେ ଏକାଠି ଲଢ଼ିବାର ସମୟ ଆସିଛି। Day before yesterday, I sent a letter to Orissa's Chief Minister requesting him to convene a special session of the State Assembly in 48 hours to pass a resolution safeguarding the political interest of Orissa in the demolition bill, in the delimitation bill. Now it seems that the Orissa government prefers to be a mute spectator and is more interested in protecting the interests of the BJP than Orissa and Oriya. ଏହା କ'ଣ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଅସ୍ମିତା? I appeal to all MPs of Orissa, irrespective of their party affiliation, to raise the issue strongly. If we will not fight unitedly at this juncture, history will never forgive us. Biju Babu was the our united fight to protect the interests of Oriyas of Orissa will be the greatest tribute to Biju Babu. Samastam Dhanyavad. Bande
धन्यवाद वर्तमान मेयर भुवनेश्वर धन्यवाद देवे मिनिट रे कहतु तापर सर
तेज नुआदिल्ली नवीन पट्टनायक संबोधन आपण मैंने शुणी पारे शंख भवन में विजुंकर तिरोधान दिवस पर स्वतंत्र कार्यक्रम आयोजन कर बीजेडी समस्त वरिष्ठ नेता मैंने उपस्थित रही जनक पर जड़े आसी श्रद्धांजलि अर्पण करुँच नवीन पट्टनायक वर्तमान दिल्ली गस्तर रही हेतु दिल्ली सीधासलख वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग माध्यम